right, boys and girls. So yesterday we talked about tens and ones and expanded form. Yesterday we practiced the expanded form of the tens and ones, and now we're going to put both of our things that we've been practicing together. So on this first problem, I want you to count how many tens there are. How many tens do you see? Yeah, it's 4 tens. Now count the ones. How many ones do you see? 9. Very good. So if I have 4 tens and 9 ones, what is my number? I have 49. Very good. But we're skipping one part where we have to write the two numbers that we add together to get this number. So remember, if we say the word 49, we say the expanded form. So 4 tens is 40 plus 9 equals 49. Good. Okay, let's do it again on the next one. Let's count the tens. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 tens. Let's count the ones. How many ones? 4. So if I have 6 tens and 4 ones, I have the number 64. And if I say 64, then I have the expanded form. 60 plus 4. That equals 64. All right, let's do the next one. How many sticks of 10 do you see? There's 5. How many ones? 1. So if I have 5 tens and 1 1, my number is 51. Now we need to write the expanded form. So if I have 5 tens and 1 1, I'm going to say 51. And that is the expanded form. Okay, let's do the next one. Count the sticks of 10. There's 7 tens. And how many ones do you see? 6 ones. So I have 70 plus 6 equals 76. Okay, we have just a couple more. How many tens? Okay, let's count the tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 tens. And then how many ones do you see? 8 ones. So my number is 68. So what two numbers can I add together to make 68? It's 60 plus 8. Very good. Okay, the last one. How many tens do I have? 2 tens. How many ones? 9 ones. So if I have 2 tens, that's 20 plus 9 equals 29. Very good, boys and girls. If you were able to do all of those problems with me, give yourself a smiley face and turn your paper over. Now we're going to practice addition facts plus 6. So even though it's a little bit higher of a number, you should be able to do all of these problems by looking for your strategies. Like this one is near doubles. This one's a plus 0. This one is also near doubles. Okay? So just look for those strategies. If you need to draw the dots, that's fine. And show your teacher when you're done.